one another. That is not human being. Christ has taught us humility. You pray actually on Christmas Day. It is a family feast where you stay together. You feel your relationship. You build your love. And then you look at the neighbors. You see those who are not eating anything. You try to invite them to be with you. You share everything you have that makes you really show Christ to people. That is how to celebrate Christmas. But people are preparing, even like these bars here, the whole night, the town. You find you say, well, they are preparing for Christmas. No, this is not Christmas. They're preparing for hell. That's very satanic. Hmm. Because the human being naturally must rest at night. Naturally, you must not get drunk. Any human being must never get drunk. If you got drunk, then you are not a human being yet. You need to learn more from Christ. Naturally, a human being must not fight. Never. Don't touch somebody. Don't fight anybody. Because Christ has shown us the way. Look, when we're praying for somebody who is killing you, Lord, forgive them. They do not know what they are doing. It is truly He knew them. That is a human being who does not fight, who does not abuse, who does not backbite, waste all his time backbiting others. So we must really become very human in perceiving what Christmas is, what Easter is. These feasts are very central in our life. But if we are doing the contrary, of course, we have failed to be human beings. And this leads to breakage of marriage. Mm. Then you cannot be a father or a mother or even a son or a daughter with the drunkenness. It ends up very deadly, fighting yourself. Uh, So Christmas is really announcing every year, I have come to make you human, not to remain animal. Animals